Hello, my name is Brian, and I want to tell you a little bit about my experience with Anacree. 10 years ago, I had a complete shoulder replacement, and this is all metal down in here, a big metal ball joint up here, and I had multiple surgeries to get that replaced after lots of different types of damage to it. And I have struggled to always have the movement and any ability that I had prior to my accident, and what I could do. Just learned to live with it. And with the Anacree and working with it, I have now been able to raise my arms up. I am able to pull them around back, this one, and it's night and day difference. And yes, it still hurts here and there, always will. It's metal fused in bone, but it is a complete night and day difference. I have nothing but gratitude for them for helping me and working on this to make me better. And I am deeply appreciative.